Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you join me here today on Northumberland Road, one of Leamington's most prestigious locations, where we have this absolutely beautifully proportioned, chain-free Edwardian home. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this wonderful home. It really is a rare opportunity to acquire a gorgeous chain-free home on one of Leamington's most desirable roads. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.